What's up, scrolling? Your girl Dying Peas back with another beauty video, and of course it's featuring Fashion Source Wigs, sister brand of RastAfri Braid. I've shown you quite a few wigs from Fashion Source Wigs, but I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this one because it's from their other collection, FC Lace, and FC stands for Foxy Customizable. Then it's the HT lace wig. So of course HT stands for high temperature. So this wig can take up to 360-degree heat, perfect for any type of styling. Go ahead and get those curls in because this wig is curling iron safe. And another cool part about this wig is a 4-way part customizable lace unit. So you can hook it up with some buns, ponytails, the styles are endless. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I want to have fun with this wig. Like I mentioned before, it has a 4-way part. You can customize it. So being that I'm going to make various styles with it, I want to make sure that my wig is locked in and secured. Yeah, that is not going anywhere. So I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to use to secure my wig. So to help really secure my wig, I'm going to put on a wig cap. So I already have one on right now, but I need to lock it in. And I'm going to do that with ORS Olive Oil Fix It Super Hold Spray. Now that that's done, now we can get into the wig. So let's go ahead and open. So here's a look at their packaging. Your wig will be nice and safe. And I love that it has directions and even photos of some hairstyles that you can try with the ASHLEE FC Lace Wig 4-way part. All right, so let's open. So just like the other wigs, it does come with an info tag. I like to hang on to it just in case if I need to read up on it or just, you know, find out more about the wig that I may not have known before. So the color that I am rocking is 1B30. So she starts off 1B, and then she has this beautiful warm blonde in a 30. So I'm excited to wear this. I've been wearing this color gosh, I don't think at all. So I'm excited. I've already customized it, but I want to show you the inside where you see it has a 4-way part lace. So you can do a side part, you can do a middle part, you can do 2 buns, 2 ponytails with chopsticks at the front, or just do all 4 ponytails. This lace wig comes with combs to lock your wig in and adjustable straps, so it's not going anywhere. Also get lace in the back, and I'll show you this way as well, to customize as well so you can wear the wig up. So excited to show you the different variety of styles that you can wear with the ASHLEE FC Lace 4-way part wig. Now that you've locked in your wig cap and you've customized your lace, now it's time to fix your wig on. And what I'm going to use is an ORS Olive Oil Fix It Grip Gel Ultra Hold. And I'm going to line this onto my perimeter to melt and lock in my lace. Lastly, I'm going to use ORS Olive Oil Fix It No Grease Cream Styler. Looks like this. And I'm going to use this to lay down my baby hair and any frizzies I might see, or just to lay my wig flat. And we are all done, and we can have some fun with the different hairstyles that we can do with this wig. FC, which stands for Foxy Customizable. Of course, HT, which also stands for high temperature heat. It can take up to 360 degrees, curling iron safe, plus it has a 4-way part. So let's have some fun. We already know we can wear it with a nice deep middle part in the middle. Let's try another style. How about some 2 ponytails? If you're looking for options or just to have some fun, make sure you get the ASHLEE wig from the FC Lace collection. That's Foxy Customizable. It's a 4-way part for you to get your styling on. Available now at your local beauty supply store. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in the next beauty video. Be sure to like and subscribe on my YouTube at youtube.com/DJ Dying Peas.